Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play MotoGP Racing. First, familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls. Use the right trigger for acceleration and the left trigger for braking. Steering is managed with the left analog stick. Experiment with rider aids such as traction control and anti-wheelie to find your preferred balance. Selecting a camera view that suits your style, like the first-person or third-person perspective, will significantly improve your track awareness and overall control. Mastering corners is crucial for fast lap times. Begin by braking smoothly and firmly before the turn, aiming to reduce your speed sufficiently. As you enter the corner, gently lean the bike using the left stick, maintaining a smooth arc. Once you see the exit, progressively apply throttle to accelerate out, avoiding sudden inputs that could cause a high-side or low-side crash. Practice different lines to find the quickest path. Effective race strategy is key to victory. Before the race, consider the track layout and potential weather changes to plan your pit stops and tire compounds. During the race, look for safe overtaking opportunities, often on long straights or under heavy braking into a corner. Maintaining a consistent racing line not only helps you achieve faster lap times, but also conserves your tires and fuel, giving you an advantage in longer events. To truly excel, embrace advanced techniques and consistent practice. Use the rewind feature to instantly correct errors and understand optimal braking and acceleration points. Dedicate time to practicing on diverse tracks and experimenting with different bike setups, including suspension and gear ratios, to become a versatile rider. Finally, delve into the telemetry data to pinpoint areas where you can shave off precious tenths of a second from your lap times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.